Okay, let's start with clarinet assembly. We're going to take the bell joint and we're going to attach the first of the two middle joints. And this one is recognizable with these four keys. So, you're going to attach them and just twist until they're together and they meet. Like that. Now we'll take the next joint. The next joint is the middle joint, but it's the upper half of the middle joint. And the tricky part with this one, and I would hold it up here when you attach them, is that there's these two buttons that have to line up right here. Let's see. Where are they? Right here. You can't really see them very well, but there's a fork side and a tooth side, and they have to line up evenly. One goes on top of the other. They have to be right or the instrument won't work. Alright? You'll know if you have it correct because the keys will be somewhat in line with each other. Then all you gotta do is finish with the neck on top, and your instrument should be put together correctly. Now let's go to the mouthpiece. Right now I'm wetting the reed, or what we like to say soaking the reed. This is going to improve its vibration on the mouthpiece. Now, when you put it on the mouthpiece, you want the flat side to stick to the flat side here. So it looks like that. Then we put our ligature on carefully, and you have to unscrew it first or it won't go down all the way. And then we're going to tighten onto the reed. Now, a couple of things you want to take a look at while you're doing this is where the ligature is. You want it on the bottom half of the reed, and where the top half of the reed meets the black part of the mouthpiece. So this is the most crucial spot in clarinet and saxophone setup. As you can see, the reed is up against the mouthpiece right on the edge, and the ligature is on the second half of the mouthpiece. Can you see that better? There we go. Once you have that ready, to warm up and make your first sounds, you want to put the neck joint on, and we're going to go like something like this. You're going to start with your bottom lip on top of your teeth. You're going to rest the reed on your lip, and you're going to bring your top teeth down on the mouthpiece, and you're going to bring your corners in. Like that. And then all you gotta do is blow. If you bite on the reed, it'll definitely make it squeak, so you don't want to do that. You just want to have like control. Another thing you want to avoid doing is taking too much mouthpiece. That's too much. And that's too little. Right in the middle. I'd say like right there. Right in the middle. So make sure you put this together because this will make your class efforts 20 times easier if this is on right. Alright? Now I'm going to show you your first few notes. Okay. Your hands go like this. You got your first finger here on the top, open hole, open hole, open hole. And your thumb is on the open hole on the back. This hand, you got 1, 2, 3, and then your pinky uses all of these, and your pinky uses all of these. Make sure your thumb is on the hook. And you're going to balance it in your hands at a 45-degree angle, like this. Now your first note is an E. E is played with just your first finger and the thumb button behind, but you have to seal the key all the way with your fingertips, so you might have to make some moving around. From there we're going to go to D, you're just going to add a finger, and C, you're going to add a finger. And again, you have to seal the holes in order to get the best possible sound. So let me play you an E, a D, and a C. Practice these three notes and work on the rhythms on the first few pages in your book, and you should be good to go. All right, we'll learn the rest of the fingerings in class.